Hello dear friends! You probably noticed that for some videos 240 and 480 qualities are not available. It's said this is a bug and YouTube is fixing it. But this problem has not been solved for several months. Here are some ways to solve this problem. If you want your video to be 1080p, just export it with 2048 at 1152 resolution. As you can see, this file is uploaded on YouTube with 1080 quality. The second solution is to upload the video with a quality higher than Full HD. For example, by uploading 2K or 4K, you will have all the qualities as before. These two files will be like this after uploading them on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.